The deputies began checking the area in an attempt to locate the vehicle and Mr. Stamps. A few minutes later, the deputies located his vehicle on 115th Street near Yukon Avenue. As they approached the vehicle from a distance, they saw Mr. Stamps running from the car into the neighborhood and out of sight. This time he was walking eastbound in the 3700 block of Imperial Highway. The deputies stopped and attempted to contact Mr. Stamps. Mr. Stamps fled again and ran west from the deputies on Imperial Highway. As the passenger deputy followed on foot, the patrol car stopped ahead of Mr. Stamps to the west. Mr. Stamps stopped and armed himself with a handgun and without warning began firing at both of the deputies. Both deputies returned fire from their service pistols.
1033, give me the patch.
1033 on the patch, go.
Go, 32. We're taking round 998. 3.
3 Imperial, copy 998, unit of 1 or less.
Okay, when there.
There's SAM unit to respond. Are all deputies accounted for?
Active gunfight.
I copy active gunfight. Are any deputies injured? Additional unit to respond 3 Imperial.
The service firearms used by the deputies are equipped with flashlights mounted under the firearms barrel. During the video, you will see a mixture of muzzle flashes and flashlights being illuminated. It shows the patrol car make a U-turn and approach the suspect as he changes direction and runs west. The passenger deputy exits the patrol car and the driver deputy makes another U-turn to drive west after the suspect. The second camera captured the location of Mr. Stamps and the driver deputy with the patrol car as they reached the driveway. As deputies attempted to detain Mr. Stamps, he produced a firearm and gunfire was exchanged. Seconds later, Mr. Stamps enters the patrol car. A .40 caliber pistol was recovered from Mr. Stamps along with several .40 caliber shell casings from the scene.